name of this coin? This is a dime. What's a dime really worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. What is the shape of the coin? The coin is round in shape. In how many ways can we write it? We can write it as 10 cents or 10 cents. What is the color of a dime? A dime is silver in color. What is on the front of the dime? President Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front of the dime. What is on the back of the dime? A torch with an olive branch on the left and an oak branch to the right is on the back of a dime. Where is the value of the coin printed? It is printed on the back of the dime. Is the edge of a dime smooth or ridged? The edge of a dime is ridged.